Hey everyone, this is a quick video, just a brief chase I did yesterday. It was really fun for a moment there. Great microburst that happened and dust getting kicked up, and then a second one just dropped and it was super rad and I loved it. Stay tuned at the end of this video for a quick look at the time-lapse I shot, which if you know me at all, getting this kind of time-lapse footage is a dream. So hope you enjoy this. Please like, subscribe. I love you all. Wow. Microburst dropping there. Dust from a microburst. Wow. Unbelievable. And lightning just dropped right there a second ago. Got the bolt with the dust, very happy. Look at that secondary microburst crashing. Wow. They'd already hit me, got another one, plummeting fast. Wow. I really can't believe this isn't severe warned. It seems pretty big deal, but what do I know? And here's a quick look at the time lapse that I got, which luckily I started it right when the dust started getting good. And look at that drop, boom. So awesome.